Ha! What a wacky person.
Reporting to you live from inside the blizzard. It is many snow.
A good assessment.
There's lots of white stuff around. The snow is taking over everywhere. It is everywhere. The snow will get you. It'll get you inside your homes. Watch this clip of snow getting you inside your home.
And here, you can see where the snow came in through my closed dorm room window last night. Yeah, well, at least the view is pretty.
Hooray! Cried the masses.
Yeah, I'm not going outside again. It was too cold. So now, I'm going to show you how I make my videos. Step 1. Come up with an idea. I should come up with a video for next week. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do. How do I even come up with these videos? Wait, I have an idea. Step 2. Write a script. Some people like to just set up their camera and start talking, and that works too. But I prefer to plan out everything, including this. Step 3. Film. Step 3. Film.
As you can see, I use my webcam to film most of my videos.
But sometimes I use my phone instead. Step 4. Edit.
As you can see, I use Movie Maker to edit my videos.
Yeah, I know that's not a great program, but it's free. I try to make sure the jump cuts are done well by cutting as close to the sound as is possible. After that, it's ready for YouTube. And at the end of every video, I say, don't forget to like and subscribe and to watch Emily's video tomorrow. And then I do this. Bye!